owner of a K-9 training facility and one of the business's trainers will have their case heard by a grand jury. Welcome into News Channel 11 at 5. I'm Sarah Diamond.
I'm Josh Smith. Off-leash K-9 training owner Randy LaFernie and trainer Andrew Hunnigan each face aggravated animal cruelty charges after a dog died in their care. Jackie DeFusco was in the courtroom this morning where the owners of the dog spoke publicly for the first time, and we want to warn you, some of the images you will see in the story could be disturbing.
Josh, Sarah, the owners of Dallas, an 8-month-old miniature bull terrier, say the facility never informed them of any health issues the dog was having until the owner told them he had passed away. Again, there are some extremely disturbing images in this story, but we thought it was critical to show you the evidence submitted to the court today.
I want to see some justice for Dallas. That's what we're all about here today.
On Wednesday, animal advocates calling for maximum punishment for off-leash K-9 training owner Randy LaFernie and trainer Andrew Hunnigan.
She didn't care about the animals. It was all about the money.
They're facing aggravated animal cruelty charges after a dog died in the facility's care. Brian Arnold, the owner of Dallas, speaking out for the first time.
When you take your pet to a facility like this, you expect that they're looking out for your pet's best interest. And why would they be in that business if they were not?
Susan Arnold recalling the moment she first saw her dog after about 6 weeks of training.
I uncovered the blanket and I couldn't believe what I saw. He was skin and bones.
Arnold says she was told Dallas strangled himself in a wire kennel overnight. Her attorney says otherwise.
She immediately knew what happened to her dog. It was starved to death. And that's the very definition of aggravated cruelty.
A necropsy report determined the cause of the dog's death was starvation and dehydration. But the attorney of trainer Andrew Hunnigan says there was a small amount of food in his stomach.
He did not withhold food from the dog. We have a dog that's been described as stubborn, and what's happened is the dog was under stress due to being away from his owners. As a result of that, refused to eat.
Owner Randy LaFernie's attorney argued the dog was in Hunnigan's care and charges against her should be dismissed.
She had no control over that dog. She did not commit any acts of cruelty. Simply because you're the owner of a business does not mean you're criminally responsible for the acts of either your independent contractors or your employees.
The assistant district attorney says LaFernie and Hunnigan should both be held accountable for aggravated animal cruelty. The judge determined there is probable cause to move forward with their cases in criminal court. Jackie DeFusco, News Channel 11, in your corner.
Jackie, thank you. And as a result of that, LaFernie and Hunnigan will be arraigned in criminal court September 27th.